Hey there, I want to show you an overview of our Defender Leg Rig TraumaPAK. This is one of our most popular items, and it's great for a one-stop shop for a go bag, especially for law enforcement or security that want to have a active shooter response kit that both has ammo, which is what you need to stop the killing, is to fire back and fire superiority, and then it has a connected IFAK, which is to stop the dying, which is what you need as far as after the shooter's dead, is medical. So I want to show you how this bag is and some of the improvements we've made to the original version. So first off, the original version, we had a kind of a triangle here, and then the connection was a little higher up. So that means that this ended up sitting lower on the leg. Right now we've made it so this goes directly to the back of the leg rig, and you have still adjustability here, so you can move this down another 2 inches where it will sit just about this height. So this is with 2 inches of play to lower it. It comes standard with 2 types of connections. So you're gonna have the 2-inch buckle system, and you will have the Zactyl connection. So you would just remove the one that you're not using. The back has this aggressive material here that's a non-slip. Then you have a lot of adjustability for the thigh rig portion, which is now only 1 strap and not 2 because it sits higher. The thigh strip itself has this kind of this rubberized material, so that way when you do adjust it for your thickness of your thigh, it's not going to slip around. This kit in total, when you load it with 2 30-round mags and 2 15-round mags, fully loaded, is 7 pounds. So that is quite a bit for a thigh rig. However, that's fully loaded, and that's for that active shooter response. You can choose to have 1 of each. You can have 4 or adjust it and not have any. Right now, it gives you the ability to carry 2 pistol mags, and these are adjustable in height. Same here with the AR round. So you can see you can fit a 30-round or you can fit a 10-round. So it gives you some options with that. When you do need to engage the medical kit itself, you would click here so it doesn't fall off when you're bumping into things, and then this would rip apart. The back also comes with an additional molly piece here that you can put on a vest if you're not using the leg rig. On the outside, you have an additional spot for a tourniquet for your second one. It comes with your trauma shears on the side, so your access to them, you don't have to open the kit. And then it comes with a carabiner and 2 additional zip pulls if you didn't like the red version. When you open it inside, the waterproof zipper will keep things inside very clean and dry if you do get it in water. You have the following. This is our standard law enforcement loadout. So you have 2 sets of gloves. You have a Sharpie for your tourniquet. This one has the 2 tourniquet options, so 1 inside, 1 on the outside. You have an elastic wrap to wrap your wound packing material, which in this case we're using the Quick Clot Combat Gas, the 12-footer. You also have duct tape. You also have a hypothermia blanket. You also have 2 vented chest seals, 1 pressure dressing, and then our reminder card of just how to stop LaB. This is not meant to be used just in time, it's just a reminder. So this is everything inside. This would be our TraumaPAK Elite that would sit on top of our Defender leg rig with the 2 AR and 2 pistol mags. This is how you would connect it back onto your leg rig, and then this would go again on your thigh. This is the Defender Leg Rig TraumaPAK.
Good.